Welcome to episode 21. REPL-Driven Development, the workflow that defines Clojure. The REPL is where Clojure code is born. You grow a function one form at a time, and the rich comment block is your scratchpad. Errors don't end the session. The REPL survives them, and you keep going. Here's parse-person, our finished function, with a comment block at the bottom as a REPL scratchpad. Start the REPL with Clojure. This session is going to stay alive the whole time. Require pulls app.core in NS drops us inside it, no more prefixes needed. Step 1. Split on commas. A vector of 3 strings. Step 2. Trim the white space off each piece. Map over the vector. Step 3. Destructure into names. This is the shape we want the result to take. Step 4. The whole function together. Messy input, clean map out. Same function, a different person. But here, 30 is a word, not a number. /parse long throws and the stack trace prints. The REPL is still alive. Back to normal. Tiny edits, instant feedback, state that survives. Control D. Quick recap. The REPL holds state across evaluations, keep it running. Grow functions one form at a time, with a rich comment block as your scratchpad. Errors print a stack trace, but the REPL keeps going. Next up, testing with Clojure.test. Thanks for watching episode 21. The REPL is the feedback loop that makes Clojure feel alive. Next, episode 22, testing with Clojure.test.